In this module, we're going to talk about how you structure a perfect affiliate promotion campaign. I'm going to show you some of my personal tricks and techniques along with examples. So the first method I use is product reviews. Before you promote your product, you can make a short video. The video shows the different aspects, why the product is important, background, upsells, creator of the product, etc. This basically helps to create transparency to your prospects' minds. They're going to feel that you're serious about grabbing a good product. You are taking that extra care for them because the same product can be promoted by 10 or more different people. Why are you different from the rest? You have to position yourself as a unique affiliate marketer. And you can do this by making sure you make your prospects feel special. Doing personal product reviews is one way in which your prospects feel special. And with this, you can bag extra sales in every promotion. You can actually go to YouTube to check for product reviews. There are tons of them there, so you can study and model some. Having a product review video helps you in two ways. Number one, having an honest video review helps in pre-selling the offer by showing its strengths and natural shortcomings. This transparent approach helps build trust in your prospects' minds. Number two, you get free traffic from these video reviews, which help you to gain more sales in your promotions. The second affiliate promotion method I do is interview. You can interview the product creator through a Skype call or Google Hangout. You ask them questions about the product's importance, the benefits for your list, the rave around the affiliate community, and all other important matters. Again, this is a very transparent approach that your list will surely like. Additionally, this is something that helps you bag more sales. The third approach, which I use, is the early bird. Almost all launches have an early bird discounted price. For example, the product's regular price is $7, but because of an early bird discount pricing for the first 2 to 3 hours of the launch, they give the product for only $5.95. People love early birds because they know they can get products at discounted prices. Another thing is called a bonus page. You can have several bonuses delivered to your subscribers. If you have more bonuses than other affiliates, then you're drawing more buyers to you. You can also ask the product creator about some customized bonuses. Sometimes they build a customized page for you with your name and your branding there. I've given you some examples inside the PDF. Linking your bonus delivery page can be automatically set on JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Just go back to the section where you got your affiliate link, and there you'll find an area where you just insert the link to your bonus delivery page. This means your bonuses are delivered automatically to buyers. No stress on your side, and more sales for you. Another way to get more sales is through discounted coupons. Everyone loves discounts, right? So do marketers. Discount coupons always help grab a few more sales. So this is especially used during the end of the launch, the last 12 to 24 hours, for example. You have to ask the product creator to create a special discount coupon for you. Simply tell the product creator as to why they should give you extra coupons. The bottom line here is you're trying to get them more sales, and the more sales you get them means more commissions for you. Once you've used all these techniques, I guarantee that you're going to dominate the affiliate marketing world. These techniques work, and all you have to do is simply apply them all. I hope that the videos open up a whole new dimension to your online marketing world. See you in the next video.